Here's a certified 2018 Ford Super Duty F-250 single rear wheel. With a powerful engine and unbelievable towing capacity, it has a lot of pickup. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and intercooled turbo V8 engine. Car and Driver remarks the full-size truck world remains wedded to the idea that bigger is better and that too much power will never be enough. Built on tradition, built to last, Ford. Take it for a test drive today.
For the entire car buying and ownership process, Sandpac's 5-star Ford Carrollton is here to help. Call, click, or stop in today. We're located at I-35E and Crosby Road in Carrollton, Texas.